Yo, hello. My name is David Isamuji. I'm the founder and owner of What a T Shirt Design. Before we get into this video, there's something I started to do of recent, is to give shout out to new subscribers. So I want to say a shout out to the Ton Belly Mom. Thank you for subscribing. Sheena, thank you for subscribing. Baka Fan, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. I'll be giving a shout out to new subscribers. So if you're not subscribed and you're just watching this video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and you get a shout out from me. I'll definitely shout you out. And without wasting much of the time, I will just get to today's video. So I'm going to open Canva. I'm going to be using Canva for this design tutorial. Canva. So I'll just click on Canva. This tutorial, most of my tutorials are done with Canva. If they're not done with Canva, then they're definitely done with Photoshop. But any which way you want to do it, you're going to get a lovely design process. So please make sure you always follow my designs if you want to learn how to design t-shirts that sell on Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, and the rest. Just follow my design. So on this one, I'll click create a design. If you already follow my design, you already know this process. Custom dimension, the standard. You guys should know the standard by now. 4500 by 5400. This is the standard. Pixel, create a new design. See, it's gonna open a new tab. So this one we're gonna be doing something cool, something fancy, but very simple, and it sells well. I'm super sure it sells well. People buy this all the time, so I'm super sure it sells well. So to start with, we'll go to element, shapes. So we'll just reduce this. So over our mouse to this edge, press our left mouse click button. You press that down and shift your keyboard inward. Just shift it inwards. So now we have that. We'll make another box. So to do that, we do Control. We press our Alt key button, left mouse click button to duplicate this and drag to the left. So as simple as that. So now we're going to do that for the remaining two boxes. Alt key button, left mouse click button, you drag down, and now we'll do that for the final box. Alt key button, left mouse click button, I will drag. So now I'm going to change the color of this. Change it. I'm going to have yellow. Okay, we're gonna have that. And for this, we're gonna change it to blue, change this to red, and I'm gonna change this to should we try green? Let's see how green looks. Okay, we're going to do, so that step is super easy and we're done with that step. So the next step is to bring in our text. So for this one, we'll just go to text. We're going to look for a bold text. So we'll just scroll. Okay, we think we can use this. So we'll just increase this. Left mouse click button, press that down, drag outward. Then just I think that one is causing us problems. So we'll just delete this. So we'll find something else in bold font. Okay, I think I like this. So see, it says baby boy. So we'll increase this. So we'll ungroup this first of all. So to do that, we click on it, on group, so that we can delete this first and second one. So delete and delete. So now we are left with this, and we just control A to highlight all. Sorry, on this we delete that. So we are left with the boy. So we're just going to say L. So we have the L. We'll just drag it into this and make it bigger. So we have that. We'll just make it white. Okay, so now we're just going to duplicate this. So remember the way I told you to duplicate: Alt key button, left mouse click button, and drag. So this is going to say, oh, then you duplicate again, and drag it downwards. So this is going to be an E, and we'll do that again. Duplicate, Alt key button, left mouse click button, and move this. So just delete and make this V. So it's a simple design, but I'm super sure it sells well. So now that we have this as the first step, the next step is to download it. Remember one thing for sure, I've always said it in all my videos: when you use the free version of Canva, you can't download and have a transparent background. But if you stick around, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super easy. It should not take you time. It's super easy. But let's download this first and get this out of the way. Then we'll go to the second stage. After the second stage, you can decide to click off if you're okay with what you've gotten so far. So let's make sure we have the downloaded file. Go to folder, show folder. Okay, we have it. So the next step is to right click and open in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can't do this. I remember Photoshop is a paid file, but most of you already have Photoshop, so you can do this. So you just open Photoshop. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can just get Canva Pro for $12 and you're good to go. So I'll open this in Photoshop. As you can see so far, I like to show my time process. So far we've just used about 6 minutes on this. We've not used a lot of time. So you should know design is not that difficult. 10 minutes max, you should be done with your design. So now what we're going to do here is to click on this folded paper to give us another layer, which is layer 1. Then we'll click on layer 0. We'll come to this magic word 2. Click on the magic word 2. Then click on this white. So now we've clicked on that. We're just going to press delete to get that out. So now we are left with the box as you can see, and that's all we want. So we're just going to leave that. Or go to the then move this to the middle so that we can move it on any shape. So we're going to save it as PNG. We're going to save it as love PNG. So we go to save as, pictures, love color. Just leave that love color. Just leave it at that. Just save it as anything you remember easily. I have so many love design on my system already, so that's why I saved it the way I saved it. So click on save, and when you save, make sure you remember, keep these settings in mind. When you save, make sure you remember to always cross check that your settings have been saved and your pictures have been saved correctly. And remember to always remove the background so that you can transfer it on as plenty colors as possible. You want to be able to transfer to as much color as possible. So let's go to pictures, love. See what I was telling you, I have so many love designs, so we just find the one this is it. So click on it. As you can see, it does not have the white background. So the final stage is when you are done doing this and you want to promote it online, social media, you need a mock-up. So let's go find a mock-up. So you need a mock-up. So I already have my mock-up on my channels. You already know I already have a particular mock-up I use. I'm in love with that mock-up, and it's the anger mock-up. If you want to know how I get it, just let me know in the comments. I'll show you where to get this, where to download this. It's not super complicated to get this. So now you see where it says your design goes here. We're just going to double tap. We'll delete this design, and I will bring in our new design. Go to pictures, love, just bring in our new design. This is it. So just drag it in, and we should have it here. So now it's quite big. We'll reduce it. So to do that, we're going to press down 3 buttons together. The first one is the Alt key button, the second is the Shift key button, and the third is the left mouse click button. Then you drag your mouse inwards to reduce. Then you press enter. Then you go to file and save. And now when you go to your shirt, you should have it there. As you can see, it's not complicated. It's a super simple, easy shirt to do. And now we have our shirt, so we'll just save it as whatever you want to save it in, but make sure it's something you can remember and something you can easily give to an influencer to promote for you. So we'll have this as love color. So we'll just save it as PNG. Now you can send this file to your we have page that talk about relationship, love, and all that. It's with super engaged follower base. Just reach out to them, but before you do that, make sure you've uploaded this shirt design to your Redbubble store, your Teespring store, your TeePublic store, your Match by Amazon store. Then you send this to them and tell them you want to promote it. You guys will talk, we speak on your price. If it's going to be from 10, it should be normally from 10 to $20, depending on if you want it on your post. If you want it on post or story, it should not be so much. So now you just give it to them and you give them the link to your store. You are guaranteed, at least for a $20 ad, you should expect 5 sales. Yes, I'm being realistic. You should expect 5 sales, but the truth about it is that if you can sell 5 of these shirts, you are good to go, and every other sale will come in naturally. So if you want to watch more, to your right you see the playlist. Make sure you follow those playlists. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Love you all. If you've not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.